Good evening. This Greek reading 1 John 1. Who in upper case, who aki kaomen, who iora komen, tois optamois, himon, who itasamita kay hai kiris, himon ipsilapisan, piri tulugos tis zoe. Kay hi zoe ipanarute kay hi orakomen kay marturumen kay ampanggilumen himin ten zoen ten ayon nion hites in proston patera kay ipanarute himin. Verse 3.